enough. Supper time, y'all. Tonight we're making Instant Pot Farmhouse potato soup. This is really good. It almost turns into like a mashed potato soup. It's great. Today's a perfect day for soup because all that wind we had yesterday blew back in the cold weather. It's the back and forth time of year where we have warm springy days, cold winter days, back and forth, back and forth. Eventually it'll even out and we can finally pack away the winter clothes for a while. We were going through our clothes earlier today and I was like, we can't put away these winter clothes yet because we're still going to need them for a few more weeks anyway. So we've got the Instant Pot on the sauté setting. And I just cut this bacon up in here. While this is cooking, we're going to go ahead and chop up an onion and start chopping the potatoes too. I'm just going to do a rough chop. This is a Farmhouse potato soup, so it's a little more rustic. We're not even going to peel the potatoes. That peeling stays on. If you want to peel them, you can. I already got the potatoes washed, so now we're just going to chop them into small pieces. And what we're going to do when the bacon gets done, we'll remove the bacon and we're going to put the potatoes and the onion in there to let it cook for a little bit. Most potato soups, Instant Pot or other, don't saute the potatoes first. It's going to kind of give them a little bit of a little more flavor to the potato itself since the bacon drippings will be in there. Ooh, that was a stout onion. I haven't had one make me cry in a long time. That one brought some tears. Okay, I'm going to remove the bacon real quick. I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of butter in there. And we're just going to scrape around a little bit and get any of those bits off the bottom where the bacon stuck to it. We'll go ahead and dump in the onions. And as soon as I get the rest of these potatoes chopped, we'll throw those in too. What brought you down here? The smell of bacon? You smelled it all the way from upstairs? I've gone up there a few times when I had something cooking and you can smell it a lot more upstairs than you can down here.
Mama, but I have a good sense of smell.
You do, yeah. I think I have a couple too many potatoes there. We'll just do these two and that'll be good. We just need about 3 pounds. Okay. My sauté timer ran out. Let me turn it back on here. Stir these around a little bit and we'll dump in the potatoes. There we go. We're just going to let these cook on sauté for about 5 minutes in here with the onions. We'll stir them around every minute or so. We're also going to need a little bit of garlic, so we'll go ahead and get this ready to go. Okay, we're going to put in the garlic. I'm going to turn the sauté off. for now. And we're going to put in half a cup of all-purpose flour. And about half a teaspoon of ground thyme. Stir that around and coat everything with the flour. Okay, next we need chicken broth, about 6 cups. Now we're going to put in 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of milk. Or you can do 2 cups of half and half if you have half and half. I'm just going to put them in here together. We'll stir that all up. We're going to put in some salt and pepper, and this is going to cook on high pressure for 8 minutes. Yeah. While this is cooking, we'll shred some cheese, chop the bacon up a little bit more. Those are going to be for topping, and when the time is up, we'll let this do a slow release. When it's finished, we're going to stir in some sour cream.
I've got a new seat to think on. A lot of pondering that goes on these seats here, and we wear them out after time. I tell you what, I've almost thought up the solution to all the world's problems on one of these babies. Right here. Thinking about how we could do better in life. This is the slow seat, the one that lets down kind of like if you jump up and you get up quick. The seat is supposed to let down slow. They got these now for the new generation. The new generation don't want anything that could accidentally hurt them, and you know how sometimes you can jump up and if you do that seat will snap you and you'll be right there and be like, hey! Help! It's all that bit me! It don't happen anymore. They got the slow seat. Now you can get up and relax as you flush the toilet. You don't have to worry about that joker being mean to you.
Right.
You flush the toilet and then it just let down easy. It's because everybody's on their phones when they get up and they don't, them old toilets wouldn't put up with that. You sitting there, you know, when you're done, they want you done. These new ones, they don't care. They'll be like, have a good day. This is a new toilet, sure enough. We had to have one.
For the boys' bathroom.
What happened? Well, let's just tell them what happened. While we was doing a little remodeling upstairs, somebody broke our other one.
The lid of it and everything, yeah.
I couldn't find the lid. I was just going to replace the lid, but they didn't have one. I didn't want to go up there and put like saran wrap around it. That's too rustic right there. You bet. You don't use that in upstairs.
Foil now. Aluminum foil would be spray painted white.
Oh, that'd be awesome. Folks, I've just realized exactly how beneficial this is going to be. This has changed my life. Thanks. Toilet. And you come back next December and it's still doing the same thing, and it's almost, yes, it is going too close. That's the new style.
Okay, I'm spreading the cheese with cheese in it.
There you go.
I can do it.
Go that other way. This way. There you go.
Oh, here comes the cheese. A taste tester always does it, and I'm the taste tester.
Yeah. Is it good for everybody?
Mm-hmm.
Other way.
Oh, I can do it all by myself. Yum, 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 yum.
Okay, we added the sour cream. Now we're just going to take this immersion blender and blend it just a little bit. We still want some chunks of potato, but we want to blend up most of them.